you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I'm so excited because the FabFitFun Advent Calendar for 2025 just arrived. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I'm so excited that the FabFitFun Advent Calendar for 2025 is here. They did actually send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your calendar to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys have been following me, I normally buy this one every single year since they started coming out with them, I think back in 22-ish, somewhere around there. So I'm so excited to see what is going to be in the new 2025 box. And I'm really loving the way that it looks. It's really nice dark green with all these little festive flowers and stuff on it. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. It's the punch door style, and there's 12 days. I'm really excited about this. If you are not a member with FabFitFun, you can sign up for their fall box, which was amazing, by the way. And then you have access to purchase this in the edit sale. That's where you can get this, and I believe it's only, let me see, I don't want to say the wrong pricing. It's only $89.99 for this calendar, and it's supposed to have a retail value of $319.98. Backed by popular demand and sold out 4 years in a row, the Holiday Advent Calendar for 2025 has arrived. Oh, what FabFitFun it is to discover a new surprise every day. 12 full-size premium goodies awaits from brands that you know and love. So again, there's 12 full-size products, only $89. And again, you can go ahead and sign up for their fall box, and you can use my code Shecrafty. That will save you 20% off your first box. Or if you want to go to a full year membership, you can use Shecrafty gift, and that will get you a free gift at $200 or higher upon signing up. If you are already a member, then you could go ahead and pop onto their edit sale. There's a few days left, and you can purchase one of these and get it for yourself. But let's go ahead and dive in and see what's all inside. So let's start with door number one right here. This one here says milk commodities. It's a 7 ml. Let's see what this is. It sounds like it's a scent, like a perfume or something. Milk commodities expressive. It's a spray. It's like a perfume spray. I can't smell it there. Let's see. Ooh. That does smell nice. That smells really nice. I don't see anything on here that tells me what scent is in here, what it's supposed to smell like. It just says expressive for me and the many around me. But this smells so good. I really, really like the way that smells. So we're already starting off great with door number one, which you can always drop this down in your purse to have with you, put it inside your car. It's a great size to take with you. Not too small, but not too big. So there is item number one. Let's go. Oh, no, not 12. Where's 2? Okay, so they're not in order. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it is a travel jewelry case. We could definitely always use one of these, especially if you are traveling, or just to keep a few things in a drawer, if you have more expensive stuff that you want to keep hidden, not with your other stuff. So you could always use these for different reasons, not just traveling, but it is a really nice neutral color. You have a zipper that goes all around here. That's how it looks. So you can put some bracelets or necklaces up here, and then you have your little bag to put the rest of it in to hold them back. You have these little compartments, and then you can put rings here. So that is great, and it feels really nice too. And again, I like that this is a neutral color. I've received one before that was pink or something, and I gave it to somebody else because I'm not a pinky kind of gal. But this color is really nice, and I love that it's that neutral color. So number 2 is great. Let's go with number 3 right here. Ooh. are you? This here is the Coors Vanilla Cinnamon Body Soothing Milk. Ooh, hydrate and soften. It is a large 200 ml. I love moisture. Any type of moisture is great. And that sounds like a great scent for this time of year with the vanilla cinnamon. But yeah, here is a large lotion. Let me see what it smells like. I never complain about moisture because I love a good moisture. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of like a tannish kind of color, maybe because of the cinnamon. It does smell really, really good. That is a really good smell for this time of year too. I can definitely pick up on the cinnamon. It reminds me of when you go into like a nice Christmas store and you smell all that cinnamon from like the cinnamon sticks and the pine cones and all that. It smells so good. Definitely, definitely seasonal. I love that. So now let's find, oh, number 4 is this little box all the way down here. I think other things are in here that I think are supposed to be with number 11. Yep. Okay, so we got a little cross-contamination in there. It's topless one-step gel manicure. I don't really do much with my nails, so I'll probably just stick this in my giveaway that I'm going to be doing for you guys soon, so then somebody can use that. But that sounds great. One-step gel manicure. It's topless. So there's that product. Number 4. Let's find number 5. And where are you? Right here. It's kind of right there. As you can see the brand name. It says Rose Quartz Crystal Quad. Ooh, sounds like an eyeshadow palette then. How pretty. Look at the packaging. It looks kind of like a crystal, like it's lifted up a little bit. It's not just completely flat. Has like a little dimension to it. And then here are the 4 colors. Those are super, super pretty. Me personally, I like a palette that has all lights and dark so I can do one look with it. I never pull like one palette and another palette and another palette to complete a look. So I will gladly put this down in my giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy, but they are really, really pretty colors. And I love that package though. But see, that's a great thing. If it's not for you, you can always gift it to another. Gift giving time is coming up super, super fast. So you could always use it for another, but I think that is really, really pretty. I love the packaging on that one. So now we're gonna go with number 6, which is this large one over here. And ooh, we have another bigger bottle. This is Verb Light Hold and Defrizz Hydrating Styling Cream for Dry Hair. Ooh, okay, so it's a styling cream. I'm not sure if I will put this in my giveaway or if I will use that, because most hair products I don't normally use. I just really don't put anything in my hair. With me being here in Florida, most of the time when I do put anything in my hair, it like weighs it down or it looks greasy or anything like that. So I just tend to just do nothing at all. But this looks like a great product, and I bet you it would be good in someone's hair. It says it's for dry hair, so I'll probably put that in a future giveaway pile for one of you guys, which is awesome. All right, so let's go with number 7 down here. We have a box. It says Palo Santo Marshmallow Burnt Sugar Forever Candle. It looks like it's by, is that Siblings is the brand? You know I am a candle hoe through and through, so for there to be a candle and this large of a candle, that's amazing. Look at how big that is. Most candles that I see in advent calendars are like the little tiny ones, like just like a votive. You might as well just put a tea light in there. This is an actual full-size candle. I'm not picking up a really strong scent. Right now I'm smelling like all this cinnamon goodness from the lotion on my hand. I'm picking up a little bit of the scent, so I'm really excited to burn that and smell it throughout my house. And I just wanted to say, now that I'm taking my still shots, I smell this a whole lot more now that my hand is not as cinnamony. But it does smell so much more now that I don't have those other scents around me. But I love that it is a large size candle. And again, I'm a candle hoe, so I love me a candle as long as it's not rose or lavender. Let's go ahead and go with number 8. This says Tula Skincare. Balanced Skincare Gold Glow Plus Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Ooh, that sounds amazing. I love a good eye balm, especially it says cooling. That'll be nice. And then because that kind of like helps depuff around the eye area as well. Look at how bougie this packaging looks though. I don't think I've ever got anything like this from Tula, so that's exciting. And then the product inside, it has this little thing that you pull off. And then there's the actual product. So you roll it up kind of like a balm and just rub it around your eye area. That is awesome. I'm so excited to try this out because I love Tula brand, and I think that's going to feel absolutely amazing on the eye area. So I'm really excited about that. It says it has probiotics and superfoods. That's great. I'm really excited about that one. Okay, so that was 8. Let's go with number 9. And we have a Dr. Jart product. Vital Hydra Solution Hydro Plump Water Cream. Oh, I love a good water cream. Oh, I'm so excited. I love a good water cream, let me tell ya. Ooh, look at how nice this package is. And blue's my favorite color. Look at that. That is so cool. And then that's the product inside right there and down the center. And it has a complete seal over the top of it. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I don't see a scent. I don't see a scent. Nope, I don't smell one either. There is that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to put this on my face tonight. Let me take what's left on here and put on this hand. Just I can tell like this glassy, like watery finish. Yes, yes, and yes. Still no scent. I'm still smelling my cinnamon. Oh, that lotion smells so good. This water cream feels phenomenal. Oh my goodness, my face is going to love me tonight. That is awesome. That is a great product, you guys, and I'm really excited about that one. So that was 9. So we have one more on this side, which is this number 10. It's an Hourglass product. It says Unlocked Satin Cream Lipstick by Hourglass. Ooh, that looks like that's gonna be a pretty color. I personally don't do anything with my lips other than like chapstick or a lip oil. It says Flora 330. So I will put this in that future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. This is the way that it is shaped. Do you press it or pull it? You pull it. That is a really, really pretty color though. Like a really pretty neutral type color. But there is the Hourglass lipstick, which that is great. And I love the color. It's a really pretty color that they chose to put in here. I've seen some that they'll do like really light colors, like almost like a pale peachish color. And it's like, whew. So I'm glad that that is a really pretty color. Okay, so let's go with the number 11. And then we have one left. Yes, all of these were what was sliding around. Okay, so we have 2 things in here from Patchology. This is Serve Chilled on Ice Hydrogel Firming Face Mask. And then you have Serve Chilled on Ice Firming Eye Gels. So that is really cool. It's not just one, you have both in there. You have the face mask, you have the face mask and then the eye gels. And that's cool that they're the same brand so you can use them together. I always keep some face masks inside of my refrigerator, and whenever I want to put one on, I'll grab it from there. So it feels so nice and cold going on. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with this one, even though it says like served chilled. That's making me think you definitely want that bad boy cold. It's probably gonna feel so good. Okay, so now the last and final day number 12. What do you guys think is gonna be in here? What kind of product? Let's see. Oh, they are a pair of socks by Unhide, and that is a beautiful color. Look at that. I'm definitely going to keep these. I think I have like a light lavender or like a light pink color. I will gladly take out of my drawer to put these in. I love this color. I really love this color. So let me show you the full socks right there. And it does say unhide, like in stitching right there. And they feel so, so soft. I love those. You guys know I'm never really excited about a pair of socks, but this calendar got me excited for a pair of socks. Can you believe that? I love the turquoise color on them. Like, I want to get a blanket that color. I think I'm gonna have to get a matching blanket now. So you guys, that is everything. We opened up all 12 punch out doors. And a quick recap, we have this perfume. You have the jewelry container, smells phenomenal. This moisturizer, you have a nail product. There is a 4 eyeshadow quad, which I love that packaging. You have a hair styling cream. You have a large candle. You have, oh, I'm so excited about this Tula eye product and this Dr. Jart. Oh, that feels so good. You have the Hourglass product. You have the 2 face masks and the socks. Okay, you guys. So that is everything that came down in this full-size 12-day advent calendar by FabFitFun. I think they knocked it out of the park this year. I'm loving all of these products. I'm gonna share a few of them with you guys, which is absolutely phenomenal. There's times I get calendars and only 1 or 2 products I keep. So for me to keep almost everything in here and only share a few, that is saying something for me, let me tell you. That is saying something. But definitely comment down below and let me know, what did you think of all of these products? What would be your favorite? Would you keep them all yourself? Would you gift some of them to somebody else? Do you have in mind what you would like to do? Definitely comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Again, if you would like to check them out, I will have them down in the description box. You can go on over to FabFitFun to sign up if you would like. Or if you are already a member, then you can go ahead and check out this advent calendar, but it will be listed down below with my code if you did want to sign up for their seasonal box. I absolutely love FabFitFun. I love that you can actually choose every single item inside of your box now. So it's definitely a win-win for anybody that is signed up because you get to customize your entire box now. And I love that. You can also go and check out my website if you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, and that is Shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.